Hello everyone. In today's video I wanted to restore Wedding Day MIDGE. I got her in a not really good condition, but I'll do my best to try to make her look better. And then I think I'm going to dress her with the honeymoon clothing she had when she was released in her bridal version. Enjoy it. I would like to transform her in a better version of herself. I will repaint her lips. I think she also have the split here somewhere, but oh, she's really cute actually. Hi, Midge. Have to go. Bye. So I just dipped the head in the boiling water and I was able to disconnect the head from the body. Now I'm going to remove her makeup. Here is the pure acetone I used. And here are some, I don't know the English for this. I think I'm going to remove her hair blush too, because I want to try to fix this kind of bites. Well, okay, it's a 1.5 year midge, so I can pretend she look like new. So I'm going to wash her face and clean all the pure acetone remains on her face, and then I'm going to spray her and repaint her. See you later, alligator. And don't forget to wear a mask, a protective mask. Don't use the anti-COVID masks because they are useless for this kind of toxic stuff. I wanted to add some blush to her cheeks. I use what's the name? Those pastels from a Korean brand. It's called Mangio pastels, I guess. And this is the brush I use to apply pastels. I scrub this one. And this can be nice. I use this light with a lens, so I can zoom the face while painting. I'm going to add some red, some white. With a bigger brush, I put some red here and then some white. This is a very simple color, nothing special. And then I add some water. It isn't going to work without any water, so water is necessary with acrylics. And then I use this brush. This is a very tiny brush, and maybe not the best for lips. This is a brush for eyelashes or eyebrows because it's very thin. Here it is. I like her. The blush is nice, maybe too orange, but okay. Now I'm going to spray her with Mr. Super Clear again, just to fix the makeup. So here she is. The next thing I'm going to do is to fix her hair. So I use this placeholder body to do her hair, to fix her hair. So I'm going to do her a split, a side split in here. As you can see, I gave Midge her side split. I thought she had it in original. I use some straws, some kind of big straws like bubble tea straws. This is how she look now with the curls. And this is the body I'm going to give her because it matches the skin tone. Not a very good condition body, but it works. And now it's time to dress her. So I'm going to use this fashion, which is not my favorite one among the four. This is probably my least favorite. And there are the shorts, the t-shirt, and the bag, and the little pink sneakers. And also, I don't know if this clothing was released in everywhere or just in the USA, but this one is for sure from the USA because I got it on eBay from the USA, and also because here it says collect Barbie pink stamps and earn free gifts, and then there is the small writing that says see back for details, valid only in the USA, so this is probably the USA version. And it says mix and match all 4 honeymoon outfits for 19 looks. And this is the back. Join the Barbie Pink Stamp Club. Here there are some stuff, some writing. Here there is the official partnership form, which I think I'm out of time to complete it because it's 1990 fashion. And that's it. I'm going to open it and show how Midge look with this clothing. Enjoy! So this is the clothing I'm going to open to dress Midge. I try to open it, trying to not breaking it because I want to save the box. Oh, this is cute. This is some kind of elastic stuff, and also I really like the shirt. It's very soft. And first of all, the shirt. And also the bag. I think she would look even better with some earrings. I put her some earrings, even if the head is kind of broken here in the earring side. This side is actually better. You can still see the bite signs. Also I put her a ring. I put some paper in here, and this is how she looks. I really like the shoes. I gave her this mini ponytail in here. And that's it. So this is the end of the video, and here is Midge. I really like her with her new fashion, and I think she is really cute, and she is restored now, I guess. So let me know in the comments if you like this video, and also what you would like to see in other videos, maybe like again restoring a doll, or a repaint, or character design. I don't know. Let me know. Enjoy. Bye.